Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Lena, and for today's video I'm gonna be doing some DIY home decor. I think I'm maybe a little bit late with this type of video because it would be more on time last year when we were stuck at home, but honestly I just wasn't into this DIY home stuff. But recently I just felt that I need to do something with my hands. It can be really calming when you feel anxious, and I see it as some kind of meditation process. And I'm not really a crafty person, so I want to start with something not too crazy. And the first DIY project that I made is actually this painting that you can see right behind my back right now. You need a canvas, some matte acrylic paint, and set of painting knives. Make a big drop of paint in the corners first to just see how paint works, feel how it smooths. It will help you to create what you want in the future. Then we're making a base. It doesn't have to be perfect, just make sure you did cover all pieces of canvas. And with second layer, we're finally creating these desirable, more textured strokes. Since it's abstract art, it's hard to mess up, just enjoy the process. It took about a day to completely dry out after I finished, and let's see what I ended up with. The next DIY project that I did is these curved candles, and it's actually super easy to do. I think the only thing you need to keep in mind is that you have to buy paraffin wax candles. If you buy the wrong one, they won't bend, they just break, so don't make my mistake and buy a right one at the first place. I got these candles at Walmart for around $5, and I will put a link into the description to the one that I use, but basically any paraffin wax one will work. Put your candles in warm water and leave it for around 15 minutes. Different candles can have different heat resistance, so some of them need to be put into hot water, and for another, warm will work, and you will understand it in the process. After 15 minutes, if it's still not bending, you can just put it pointwise under hot water. While wax is still plastic, give it a form you need. To make the candle stand still, I saw some people cut the bottom with a blade, but I feel like gently press it down worked just fine too. And when you think it's done, rinse it with cold water to cool it down, let the wax fix, and that's it. Go really artsy with this one. You can twist two candles together, you can cut them, and actually there are so many ideas on Pinterest about it, but I decided to keep them like really simple, and I really like how they turn out. And the last thing that I did recently is these vases. I actually got them at the thrift store. I bought 5 of them for around $2. I like to use this one for keeping my taper candles, and I decided to paint them in this neutral shades so they can match with each other. All you need is acrylic paint, baking powder to create some texture, and a brush. Mix it all together. You have to get pretty thick consistency, enough to cover your vases from the first layer. And honestly, this is so relaxing process. I was mixing white, black and brown to create different neutral shades, and let's see what I've got.
Ryan Little.
So that was basically it. I really hope you like this video. If you do, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.